Hello, a very good morning to everyone. I hope everyone is healthy and healthy. Okay. So now today we will start 8.1 exercise. First 5 question. Up to question number 5 we already finished. Now we will do question number 6. Express the following as the centimeter using decimal. We have to express in centimeter and whose 2 mm. Everyone know whenever we use a scales, this scales is always in centimeter. So how will we change? Look at. So always remember, everyone know in a scale, our scale is given in a centimeter. 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. And everyone know it is positive 0, it is 1, it is our scale, okay? It is 2 and it is 3. And every know between two number, between 0 to 1, how many there are lines are given? There are 10 part, 10 equal part is given. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's mean 0 to 1 how many? 1 centimeter. 1 to 2 is also 1 centimeter. It is also divided into 10 equal parts. Okay. So always remember 1 centimeter. It is 0 to 1 how many? How many millimeter? There is 10. So how many? So 0 to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is divided in how many equal parts? 10 equal parts. So it means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. Mm mean millimeter. So always remember 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. Always remember this one. Okay. Because in a scale, always scale centimeter is given, and in every centimeter we divide 10 equal parts, and these 10 equal part unit mean mm, millimeter. So 1 centimeter always equal to 10 millimeter. We want to change 2 mm in centimeter. Only one part I will explain, rest of do yourself. Okay. 2 mm equal to represent in centimeter. So we will use this formula always. Okay. So tell me, everyone know, if you know, you want to represent very simple thing. Suppose if you know cost of 1 pen is 10 rupees, and tell me cost of 2 pen, how will you find? 2 into 10 is 20 rupees. So you will buy 2 pen in 20 rupees. Same as it is, if you want to find the value of 2 mm. So first we will find what is value of 1 millimeter. So you write, always you will write, we know 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. Otherwise you can write like this one also, 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. And everyone know, we already learned equivalent fraction, because we want to find value of 1 mm. Because if you know what is value of 1 mm, we can find the value of 2 mm easily. So it's mean we have to remove this 10. And everyone know, by equivalent fraction we can multiply and divide both sides by the same number. Yes. We divide this one also 10 and 1 also, then they are also equal. Yes. 10 cut by 10. So what is 1 millimeter equal to always 1 by 10 centimeter. I know everyone know this one. So always remember. So it means it is also can remember 10 another side divide. So you can write 1 millimeter is always equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. 10 another side divide. So 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10. And if I ask you how much in 2 mm, so 2 mm multiply both side by 2. So 2 into 1 mm, and here also multiply by 2. 2 into 10 centimeter. So it is, you will write 2 into 1, 2 mm equal to 2 into 1, 2. 2 divided by 10 centimeter. Whose we want to find? 2 mm in centimeter. Yes. So 2 mm equal to how many zero in denominator? 1. So it's mean after decimal how many digits? Only 1. So 0.2 centimeter. So it is your answer. So it's mean 2 mm always equal to 0.2 centimeter. Always one thing is remember beta. First we will find how many centimeter in 1 millimeter. In 1 mm. 1 mm equal to 1 by 10. One more part. Look at same as it is. 6. We will find 6 question. Question number D part. What is D part? 4 centimeter and 2 mm. Represent in centimeter. We want to change 4 centimeter and 2 mm in centimeter. Yes, we observe it is already given in centimeter. So first we will write, we know 1 centimeter or 10 millimeter mm equal to 1 centimeter, you know. And if you find value of 1 mm equal to 10 another side, divide 1 by 10 centimeter. So it means 4 centimeter, it is already given in centimeter, plus 2 mm. So it means it is already given in centimeter. We will change only 2 mm. So now 4 centimeter plus 1 mm equal to 1 by 10, and 2, it means 2 mm mean it is 2 and 1 mm mean 1 by 10. So multiply by m. It means it is centimeter. Okay, because 1 mm equal to 1 by 10. 1 mm equal to 1 by 10 centimeter and 2 mm. So multiply that side also 2. Both side we will multiply. Okay, so it means so 4 centimeter plus 2 by 10 centimeter. What is become? It is become 4 centimeter plus 2 by 10 means 0.2 centimeter. Now we will add. And how will we add? So it means 4.2 centimeter. It is our answer. Okay. So always write this one in the question. We know 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter. So remember this formula. 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm and 1 mm equal to 1 by 10. Same as it is. If I ask you represent suppose which one? Part number C. 116 mm in centimeter. So how will write? So same as it is, we know 10 mm equal to 1 by 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter and 1 mm value 1 by 10 centimeter. So we want to change 116. So multiply both side 116. 116 into 1 by 10 centimeter. So it is 116 mm. Yes, we want to find, and 116 divided by 10. What is after? How many zero in denominator? 1. So it means after decimal only 1 digit. So 11.6 centimeter. So like this one you can write. Understand? Do yourself rest of the parts. Next is now question number 7. Find which two whole numbers on the line. So first a number line is given. Yes, I already told you. Between it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, like this one. So we have to find between which two whole number on the number line or the given number line. So first A part, which one? So first is 0.8. So first we have to find 0.8 where will lie on the number line. So we have to find this number is lies between whose number. So we will write 0.8 mean 0.8 mean 0 plus something. So 0.8 is come between 0 and 1. So you write 0.8 between 0.8 is between 0 and 1. And next is we have to find which of these whole number is nearer the number. So we have to find, we know 0.8 is between 0 and 1. So we have to find, and everyone know, I already told you, in a scale between 2 centimeter, between 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, how many point? There are 10 equal parts. So it means it is 0, it is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 6, 7 and 8. And 0.8, 0.9. After 0.9 is 1. So 0.8 is near to 1 or 0. So right? 0. Is near to 1. Yes, only this one we have to find. In the question number 7 we have to write the whole number lies between numbers, and we have to find it is lies near to which number. Next B part. Suppose now we have to find 5.B part. B 5.1. 5.1 mean 5 plus something. So it means 5 point is lie between. So 5.1 is lies between 5 and 6. Yes, 5 is between 5 and 6. And now we know after 5 to divide in 10 equal part. So 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.6, 5.7, like this one. Because there is a space problem, you can write like this one. It is 5 and it is 6. And every know between these we are dividing 10 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, it is 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 7, 8, 9, 5.9 and then 6. So tell me 5.1 is near to which number? It is 5.1. So it is near to 5 or 6. It is right. 5.1 is near to 5. Only these two things we have to find. 5. This number is near to which number, and this number is lies between which numbers. Okay. So we have to find. So I think you can find yourself. So same as it is. One more part. Look at make number line 4.9. So 7th question, F part. We have to find 4.9. So it means it is a number line we will make. Okay. It is 0, it is 1 and it is 2, and suppose it is, now I am writing direct. Okay. It is suppose 4 and next number is suppose it is 5. So we know 4.9 means 4 point something. That means 4 point. So write 4.9 is lies between. You can write between like this one. It is mean between 4 and 5. It means first 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and then 5. So 4.9 is near to 5 or 4? Is it 5? So 4.9 is near to 5. It is your answer. Next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Show the following number on number line. I think you can show that yourself. You will draw a number line. Okay. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this one you can draw. Okay. By using of scales and pencil you will draw. Okay. The first part is 8, 0.2. So So everyone know between 0 to 1 how many equal part? 10 equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is 0.2? It is 0.1. It is 0.2. So it is 0.2. B part 1.9. So 1.9 between 1 and 2. So 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.6, 7, 8 and it is 1.9. So like this one you can draw. It is very simple. Okay, everyone know how to draw. Divide the 3 and 4 every two number between. Divide the, we will take any two numbers consecutive and divide into 10 equal part. Okay, so 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4 like this one. Okay, next is very easy question. This was question number 9. Question number 9. Write the decimal number represented by the point A, B, C, D on the given line. So it is given a number line. Look at. It is a given number line. Okay. And what is given? It is 0. And next is 1. It is 2. And it is 3. And what is given? So we will divide 10 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it is 1. Same as it is. 10 equal part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this one 2. Same as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and it is 3. So we have to find value of, it is 1 A, B and next is C and D and D. So we have to find the, we have to represent A, B, C, D on the number. So it means it is 0, everyone know 0 by 1, it is 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 6, 7, 8. So what is value of A? 0.8. Now 1, 1.1, 1.2, it is 1.3. Now 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2.8. So like this one you can represent. Okay. But use pencil and scales. Don't write directly with pens. Okay. Next is last question. 10th question. A part. A part I will write and B part you will write yourself. Okay. Write the decimal number. Next is the length of Ramesh. The length of Ramesh notebook. It is given the length of Ramesh notebook. So it is Ramesh notebook. So we have to first find what is length. Length is 9 centimeter 5 mm. So right. Length of Ramesh book. How much given? 9 centimeter and 5 mm. 5 mm. Next, so what will its length in centimeter? So you can find in centimeter. So it means we have to change 9 centimeter 5 mm in centimeter. It is already given in centimeter. So this one, right? So again we will write. So we know 1 centimeter or 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm and 1 mm equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So same as it is. So 9 centimeter plus. So you will write length of Ramesh book in centimeter, because we have to find answer in centimeter. So how will you find? So it is already given in centimeter. So 9 centimeter plus 5 mm. So how will you find 9? And we know 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10, 2 mm 2 by 10, 3 mm 3 into 1 by 10, and which means 5 mm 5 multiply 1 by 10 centimeter. Centimeter, yes. So same as it is 9 centimeter plus 5 into 1 5 by 10 centimeter. Now how will you write? So 9 centimeter plus 5 by 10 means 0.5 centimeter. So how much answer? 9.5 centimeter. Understand it? So you can write like, so it is 9.5. It is point, okay? Point. So it is your answer. So first exercise we already finished. Now 8.2. Look at 8.2. Exercise. What is? Complete first question. Complete the table with the help of boxes and use the decimal to write the number. Only one question we will do today. Okay. So first is, the first question, A part. What is given? It is given. And next is given. It is. And we observe in this there are the 100. There are the 100 boxes given. Okay, how much? 100. And these are, fill in the blanks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. So this one, this one, this one, this one. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it is given, and table is given. Table I am making here. So first, ones given, tenth and hundreds, and next is number given. Okay, number given. So fill this one. So how will you fill? Look at how many total boxes? Total boxes is 100. And how many boxes fill? 10 plus 10, 20 plus 6, 20 divided by 100. So how many boxes is filled? 26. So 26 out of 100. So what you can write? So it means how many 0 in denominator? 2. So it means after decimal there is 2 digit. 2 and 6 here. So what is number? 0.26. And now you have to write what is ones place. Ones is 0, tenth is 2, and 100 is 6. You have to write. It is very simple. Only this one you have to write. Okay. Next is same as it is. Now we will do it's a B part. Okay. In B part, what we have given? It is given. Again, same box. 100 box is given. Okay, it is 100 box. Okay, maybe I make some less, but it is, and they are all are filled. Okay, they all are filled. Next is one more 100, like this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in this box is given only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next is up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to find this one. How will we represent? So tell me, how will we write? So first we will check this box. So in this box, 100 out of 100, yes. Total is 100 box and how many fill is 100 plus in this box total box is 100 and how many fill is 28 is 20 not 20 it is 38 1 2 3 it is how much 38 so 0 cancel 0 0 0 1 divided by 1 so 1 plus 38 divided by it is so 0.38 so what is value 1.38 so what is number B part 1.3 so ones is 1 tenth is 3 and 100 is 8 so like this one can you find the C you can find C part also so we already finished first question it's okay and try it second question also okay so thank you everyone have a nice day.